material, but the material is, that's the material. Look, that.
Is that Elgar?
That's the Dream of Gerontius.
Dream of Gerontius. Should be there. Be there.
Somebody, one person wrote this, and then somebody like me brings it to life with other people. I lead the process of bringing this to life. Technically, that's a recreative act. My creativity, for me, is in how to get all these people to articulate it with an intention, and for them to unlock their creativity in their, to be able to deliver it. Yeah. Now, your question about how can you measure the creativity of say a pianist, for example. So you have 20 pianists and they all play a Chopin etude. How do you make the judgment, and who makes the judgment of the value of those interpretations? It's like, why do we think these three people are outstanding and therefore maybe historical figures, and then 20 names down the list, there it's okay, it's beautiful, but it's not historically valid, you know. That's the bit that's really interesting, because you've got, the data doesn't change, you know. The data doesn't change. It's still the same. This hasn't changed. But the way it's articulated operates on all sorts of different levels. And I would say, I mean, interestingly enough, in terms of your question about how do you make the judgment of the value of the creativity that's being used to make an interpretation, is that I think the very, very, very great people can be understood by everyone, irrespective of their knowledge of the thing, I would say. So I think you would, I think if you put Sviatoslav Richter in the room to play some Rachmaninoff, and then maybe, you know, a very good postgrad student from Vienna in the room, I think someone for whom it's an alien language, I think they would be able to tell the difference. So a non-specialist can tell the difference. I think what I'm saying is a non-specialist can recognise a great interpreter. I really believe that's true.